J. Chapter.
Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be exploring the exciting future of artificial intelligence and its potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with technology. From virtual personal assistants to autonomous vehicles, the applications of AI are endless, and the possibilities are truly mind-boggling. In this video, we will take a look at some of the most promising developments in AI and what they could mean for our future. Part 1. Virtual Assistants. One of the most immediate applications of AI is in the form of virtual personal assistants. These AI-powered tools can help us with everything from scheduling appointments to ordering food, and they are becoming increasingly sophisticated. With the rise of voice-activated devices like the Amazon Echo and Google Home, virtual assistants are poised to become an even more integral part of our daily lives. Part 2. Autonomous Vehicles. Another exciting development in AI is in the area of autonomous vehicles. From self-driving cars to delivery drones, the potential for AI-powered vehicles to revolutionize the way we travel and transport goods is enormous. With advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, autonomous vehicles are becoming increasingly capable of navigating complex environments and making decisions in real time. Part 3. Healthcare. In the healthcare sector, AI has the potential to transform the way we diagnose and treat diseases. From image analysis to predictive modeling, AI can help healthcare professionals make more accurate diagnoses and personalize treatments for patients. With the massive amounts of data generated by wearable devices and electronic health records, the opportunities for AI in healthcare are vast. Part 4. Finance. The finance industry is also starting to embrace the power of AI. From fraud detection to portfolio management, AI can help financial institutions make more informed decisions and improve their bottom line. With the ability to process vast amounts of data in real time, AI has the potential to transform the way we manage our money and make investment decisions. Part 5. Education. In the field of education, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and acquire new skills. From personalized learning algorithms to virtual tutors, AI can help students of all ages to achieve their full potential. With its ability to adapt to individual learning styles, AI has the potential to create a more equitable and accessible education system for everyone. Conclusion. So there you have it, the exciting future of artificial intelligence and its potential to transform the way we live, work, and interact with technology. From virtual personal assistants to autonomous vehicles, the possibilities are truly endless, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos on technology and beyond.